Hi friends, welcome back to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Struggling with weight management after 60? You're not alone. As we age, our metabolism slows and maintaining a healthy weight becomes a bit more challenging. But here's the good news. With the right strategies, you can achieve and maintain your ideal weight. First, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. These foods provide essential nutrients and help keep you full longer. Second, consider time-restricted eating, TRE for short. Limiting your eating window to 12 hours or less each day can boost your metabolism and support weight loss. For example, if you have breakfast at 8 a.m., finish your dinner by 8 p.m. This simple adjustment aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythm and can enhance weight management efforts. Start by gradually reducing your eating window. If you're currently eating, say, over a 14 or more hour window, try cutting back to 12 hours and maybe move forward from there. Monitor how your body responds and adjust accordingly. Remember, consistency is key. Embrace these changes and you'll be on your way to a healthier, more vibrant you. Stay committed and remember, it's never too late to take control of your health. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this message with others so they can benefit too. Thank you.